In the garden, bright and wide, fruits prepare for a joyful pride. Apples polished, red and sweet, marching proudly on leafy feet. Bananas curved with a sunny grin, peels like sashes, thin and thin. Grapes in clusters, hand in hand, purple jewels across the land. Oranges roll with zestful cheer, citrus scents fill the air so clear. Pineapples tall with spiky crown, wearing golden robes and never a frown. Berries bounce in a colorful line, strawberries, blueberries, oh how they shine. Melons waddle round and bright, bringing juicy joy and pure delight. Through the garden they parade with glee, a fruity festival for all to see. Nature's treasures, bold and sweet, dancing to a tasty rhythmic beat. You said, oranges roll with zestful cheer, citrus scents fill the air so clear. Pineapples tall with spiky crown, wearing gold